artificial intelligence. Like we are having father of computers, right? Each subject has one dedicated person to it, right? Similarly, in artificial intelligence also we are having one dedicated person. He was the first person to name this technology as artificial intelligence. Earlier, no one used this term. The person name is John McCarthy. Okay, John McCarthy. Right. Next is types of artificial intelligence. Okay. So we know now what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is what? It is the branch of computer science which deals with creating intelligent machines that can think, learn, and work just like human beings. Wait, you know, this is artificial intelligence. In this artificial intelligence, we are having different parts, different categories are there. Okay, so listen carefully. Artificial intelligence is divided into three categories. How many? Three. First category is artificial narrow intelligence. In short, we call it as AI. Okay, artificial narrow intelligence means it does simple task, only single task at a time. It will not do multiple tasks. It will do only one task at a time. Okay. For example, Alexa and Siri is there, and then what? Google Assistant is there. All these are what? All these are artificial narrow intelligence technology. Okay. Artificial intelligence is divided into three categories. In that first one is AI, artificial narrow intelligence. It is designed to do only one work at a time. Okay, for example, voice recognition. Only other things it will not do. Okay, and Google search. When you go to Google search engine and you type one word, it will predict what will be the next word. Okay, that is also the example for artificial narrow intelligence. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Embedded computers, all embedded computers use artificial narrow intelligence. Some of them use other types also. Okay. So it depends upon what kind of work we want to make that device to do. Okay. For example, smartwatches. Smartwatch is also an embedded device. In this also we are having artificial intelligence technology. Okay. If I do like this and like this, it will get on. Can you see? Light is on, right?
Yes, sir.
If I put the hand on, the light will get off. Did you observe?
Yes, sir.
If I do like this, see, it became on, right? So what is happening? It is sensing the movement of my hand, and it is getting on automatically without pressing button. Getting no? This is artificial narrow intelligence. Three types are there. How many? Three. That first type is artificial narrow intelligence. Thinking is very not broad, only dedicated to only one task. That's why we call it as narrow. Okay, it is not broad, it is congested. It is focused to work for only one type of work. Okay, that is artificial narrow intelligence. Okay, clear? Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Alright, very good. So we will move on to the second type of technology, type artificial general intelligence. Okay, so this kind of technology is the exact same copy of how the human beings react, how the human beings behave. Okay, so we can say that this technology works same like a human brain. Okay, like how the human beings think and try to solve the problems, right? The similar way this technology also works. Artificial general intelligence. Okay, so still work is going on in this technology. Once it gets developed more, it will get transformed to artificial super intelligence. That is the next part which will come. Okay, so artificial general intelligence is the technology which will work same just like human beings. Understanding artificial narrow intelligence means it is designed to do only one particular task. Okay, artificial general intelligence is used to behave just like human beings. There is no difference between human beings and robot. That is artificial general intelligence. Getting no? Example for artificial general intelligence is what? Sophia. It is the most common humanoid robot. Okay, and that robot behaves same like human beings. It is having the same emotions like how we are having. Okay, if we ask the robot the funny questions, it will respond back in a funny way. If we ask the serious questions, the robot will respond in serious way. Okay, like how human beings react to different situations, no? Similarly, that robot is designed to do. Okay, this is all about how works this artificial general intelligence. Getting no? So artificial general intelligence is same like human beings. There is no difference. Okay. So one step ahead they went. Now presently what they are doing? They are doing research in the next type of technology, that is artificial super intelligence. Okay. Next page. Okay. So artificial super intelligence. In this technology, this is the most advanced technology. In this, the processing speed, reacting time and decision making ability is the fastest in the world. Okay, so you might have watched the movies like Robot, India based Robot movie you have watched, right? And Hollywood movies like Matrix and Terminator. Have you heard the name? No, right? It was released long back. Terminator. In that the robot what it is doing? It is ruling the world. It is that kind of technology. Okay. So what conclusion is what? Artificial super intelligence is the next future of the present AI what we are doing. In that technology, the machines will become self-aware. They will take the input from the surroundings. We don't need to give input only. Okay. For example, self-driving car is moving on a road. Okay, and the car will record the video which is 4-5 kilometers far from where the car is moving, and it will sense, it will detect that after 1 kilometer another vehicle is coming, my speed limit should be this much. Okay, like that speed can be controlled. One more, accidents can be avoided. For example, from this side some vehicle is coming, you are going this way, this side vehicle is coming, you are not able to see, but that car which is having artificial intelligence technology, it will detect from this side one vehicle is coming, I should stop before it crashes. It will immediately take a right turn and it will try to avoid the accident. Okay, getting how the technology is helping the humanity, right? With the help of self-driving cars. That's why I told in future many jobs will be replaced. It will not go. It will be replaced with the persons who have learned this technology. If you have not learned this technology, then you will not get jobs in big companies. If you learn about this technology, you will be safe. Okay, you will be preferred first, other than the persons who don't know about anything computer skills. Getting no? So this is all about types of artificial intelligence. So how many types are there? Three types are there. First one is artificial narrow intelligence. In that only one task will be done at a time. Okay. Then second one is artificial general intelligence. In this technology, what will be happening?
It will do
exactly. It will just behave, work like human beings. Okay. That is artificial general intelligence. Example is robots like Sophia and many others. Okay. Humanoid robots. Okay. Next is third type is artificial super intelligence. In this technology, machines will become self-aware. No need to give input only. Getting to what I am telling? Computers of today's generation, we need to type keyboard input. They will work on their own. No need to do anything. Like the jobs of security guard and the maid, which will come to clean your home and utensils, right? And housekeepers, getting to watchman. All these jobs will be taken by robots. Getting in coming 2-3 years. So what they are thinking like that. They are training the robots to behave like that. Okay. So that's why I am telling repeatedly. Learn the technology. Okay, you are learning. I am not telling you are not learning. For everyone I tell. Okay. So this is how it will replace the jobs. Okay. And yes. Any doubts still here in types of artificial intelligence? No, right? Who is the official father of artificial intelligence? John? John McCarthy is the father of artificial intelligence. Okay?
Yes.
What is the program, the machine will be program designed like that, in the sense that it should capture the things from the surroundings. Okay. For example, I designed one robot. Okay, that robot, what it will do? It will capture the images which it is able to see around its surrounding. It will capture the images. It will send it to the CPU. Okay, high level language is converted to low level language, machine level language. Okay, after conversion, CPU, what it will do? It will, the program, artificial intelligence software is installed in that CPU. Okay, in that robot assembly. That CPU, what it will do? It will try to solve your problem, predict, no need of input only. It is designed to capture from output. Means whatever it is seeing, from that only it is designed to take it as input, and it will try to answer it on its own. No need of any human being. Okay. So like that way it will try to capture the input from the surroundings. It will do the processing. It will show you the output accordingly, and it will give you the most suitable, meaningful answer. It is not give the nonsense or any answer which is not making any sense. Getting no? So that why we are supporting this technology so much is this is the reason. It will give you the most clear and most accurate answer. Okay. So that's why we are doing research in this technology. And what will happen in big industries and factories? We need manpower, human beings to operate the machines. Even their jobs also will be taken by robots. We will train the robots to how to operate the machines. Okay. So like that way the world is slowly, not just slowly, fastly they are accepting these changes, and they are coming to growing in this technology. Okay, what they are doing? They are fastly adopting this technology. They are adopting this technology very fast. In USA and all, it is already adopted. In India to come, it will take 50 years. Before that, what we should do? We should learn everything, whatever is possible from our side. Understanding? And one more thing, your school's education system will completely change.